Hello, beautiful. Thank you for clicking my video. Today's wig was sent to me from XRS Beauty to review for you guys today. If you're interested in this wig, the website link and some other interesting links that you may be interested in is in the description box. When you order, they send over gifts. I got some flexi rods with 2 clips, some wig caps, and a wide tooth comb, and they send you a elastic band that you could hook on the inside of the wig. They also wanted me to display to you guys how good their lace looks compared to other lace wigs. So you have brown lace and transparent lace, then you have their new clear lace. The new clear lace is less visible than the transparent lace and the brown lace. Very thin and more easy to blend, especially when you add product. The wig comes in this clear plastic baggie. The length of the wig is 18 inches. The hair density is 200%. Here is a close-up of what inside of the wig looks like. You get a 13x6 parting space. Behind the parting space, you get 3 combs, another comb and a nape ear with adjustable straps, and those 2 little hooks on the side behind the parting space, that's where you would hook the elastic band that they send you if you would like a more snug fit with the elastic band. This is what the wig looks like straight out of the package. The curls come very tight. I love it. But the hair is looking a little dry, so I'm definitely going to go in and co-wash the wig. The best part, when you order, the hairline is already pre-plucked and lightly bleached for you. You can skip this step, and this hairline looks awesome, very realistic. So like I said before, the curls on this wig is very tight. I love it. It reminds me of my own natural hair. Now I'm going to go in and co-wash the wig. First, I am just drenching the hair in cool water. I love using this hair mask on my wigs. It's from 5 Star Hair. I'll definitely leave the link below to it. Most of the products that I use for this wig is from 5 Star Hair, but I go in, mix some of that mask, and then I'm just going to apply it all over the wig. After I have applied the mask all over the hair, I'm going in with a wide tooth comb and starting from the ends, then working my way up to the wefts and detangling the wig with a wide tooth comb. So now I'm going to use this case to steam my wig. I have it on a temperature 167 and I leave it in the bag for 60 minutes. After I close up the bag, the case automatically shut off so I don't have to worry about the wig being over processed. This is how the wig is looking after I took it out of the thermal case. Now I'm just going to rinse the wig off with cool water. Baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. I left the wig to air dry overnight, and this is what it's looking like the next day. It's still just a little bit damp, but it's okay because I'm going to go in and define the curls. I'm a huge fan of the hairline. Love it, XRS Beauty. I'm going in with another 5-star hair product, which is their curl cream. I love this curl cream. I got 2 bottles of it. And first, I'm going to go in with that 360 mist spray bottle and spray warm water all over the hair. Then I go in and brush it to define the curls a little bit. And after the curls is defined, I use the curl cream to go in and lock the style of the curls. Also, another thing, one thing I love about this curl cream is the kind of hold it have on the curls is a medium hold. It don't leave the hair hard and crunchy or no white residue. And most importantly, let me not forget to mention, it is Black owned by an awesome wig maker. I don't want to spend the whole video showing you guys how I define the curls, so I'm just going to show you how I do this section, and it's the same steps I do throughout the rest of the wig. After I'm done defining the curls with the brush in the front of the wig, I would like to add a few tighter coils, so I go in with a little bit of the Nairobi Rapid Shine Foaming Lotion. I take a few small sections, random sections in the front, pump a little bit of the foaming lotion on it, and I wrap it around my finger. I pull it down gently, and that's what gives you a tighter defined coils. Right here is my end result after I'm done defining the curls. Now I am going to cut off the extra lace in the front. First, I am going to cut the lace that's behind the ear tabs, and I'm using eyebrow scissors. Then I'm going to take my scissors and cut right along the hairline. I am cutting in little zigzag motions and trying my best not to cut into the hairline. If you can't really see the hairline, then I recommend putting like the palm of your hands underneath the lace so you could see it much better. Now it is time for the wig install, and I would say this wig is only about 70% dry. It's not fully dried yet. In the back, there's some lace towards the nape area. Don't forget to cut that because we do not need that. On the inside of the wig, I applied some makeup powder to the lace, so I only applied it to the parting space and the hairline. And right there, I hooked the elastic band to the tightest setting, so I would say I hooked it on the 3rd hook. And now I'm just going to throw the wig on. Okay, can we get into this hairline? Look at that lace on the skin with no product. It looks so good, but the hairline, it's great. Like, it's really making the wig stand out. This hairline looks very realistic and natural, and it comes like this. You don't have to go in and pluck the hairline. Now I am taking this lip liner that I got from the beauty supply store and lightly marking along the hairline. I only recommend this if you can find like a flesh tone color, and I use this to like outline the lace so I don't put too much glue in the front because I hate when the glue sticks out and it's hard to remove. I don't want to go over that line, so in order to have more control, I'm going in with the glue on my finger and I'm applying 2 layers of this. I don't want this install to last that long, but I wore this wig for a week and a half and it held up great. Stay tuned for the end results, and I'm going to show you guys a few clips on what the wig looked like throughout the week.
Baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy.
I only applied the glue to my forehead and the right side by the temple to the ear tab because I'm going to lay that side down first. Then after I get the lace onto the glue, I'm going to go in and apply the other side down. So right here I messed up kind of bad. I missed a spot in the front that needed some extra glue. I applied the glue, but after I laid it down, I ended up with some lumps, humps, and bumps, and ooh, I was just like, oh no. But I wasn't really stressing it because the hair was going to cover up the sides anyway. So, I was okay. Now I'm going to go in with this TG Bedhead Hardhead Spray and spray 1 layer of this on top of the lace for an extra hold. I also got a few light bumps on the lace by the forehead, but after I tied it down throughout the week, the lumps started to disappear. After I put my bow hold edge band on, I blow dried the hairline for about 3 minutes. Baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day. Okay, so this side is looking not too bad. Really, really loving the hairline on this side. But I ain't gonna lie, this side is looking a little eh. But you guys get the hint of the end results I was going for.
Breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love.
I have been doing wig show and tells for about 5 years now, and so far this is the best kinky curly lace wig I have ever tried, hands down. This is my favorite. The curl pattern looks very natural, especially when you define the curls. Even when you don't define the curls, the hair still looks very natural. But my favorite part is when the hair is fully dried, and I'm going to show you guys how that look in the end, so stay tuned. So again, this wig length is 18 inches, but to me, it would be 18 inches stretched out. Not stretched out, I would say it falls about 14 inches on me, and my height is 5'6". When I was styling the wig, I did end up with shedding, and I showed you guys the amount of shedding I got. To me, that shedding is low for a wig that's really thick, especially 200% density thick. As for tangling, I got one snag of tangling when I was co-washing the wig. After that, I didn't get any more tangles. And like I said before, I wore this wig for a week and a half. I never went back in and defined the curls for the whole week and a half. I just took the bonnet off, shook out the curls, and was on the go. The hair color is a natural black, but this is a virgin hair wig, so you could go in and dye it jet black, or you could even go in and bleach the hair. Also, when I was washing the hair, it didn't have any running dye, and when I received the wig, it came with no foul odor. Another thing I love about this wig, I love how all the curls is just coily and different. They all are not the same. Also, the hairline is looking nice. The other side ain't looking that nice, but the lace blends in lovely with my skin, especially once you get it to match your skin tone. Definitely a keeper. Do not look for this in my wig sale because I am keeping this one. As for the parting space, it is 6 inches deep, and the deeper the parting space, to me, the more realistic a wig look. I should have went and applied some powder to the hairline, but I forgot. I was so in love with the end result, I forgot to apply some powder on top of the lace. I have been working with XRS Beauty for about a year now, and a lot of their wigs are just very natural and beginner friendly, especially if you just want to receive your wig without doing the work. I definitely recommend XRS Beauty Hair. When it is time to go to sleep at night, I throw on my Drea Michelle brand bonnet, and I just stick the hair in the bonnet. I don't pin the hair up or put it in a ponytail. Right here is day 3 with the wig still on my head. This is how it looks before I put it in the bonnet. Right here is day 6, and I was going to the gym. And right here is day 11, the last day with the wig on my head because I have to get back to work. And I love how natural the wig looks on my head. A lot of people thought it was my real hair. I hope this video helped someone out with their next wig choice. Please hit the like button before you click off. Let's try to get this video to 500 likes, hopefully 1,000. Maybe I'm not being realistic, but it's worth asking. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.